Hello guys, hello viewers. So now I'm gonna show you how to apply ombre lips with two different lipstick. So keep on watching.
Make sure you prepare the stuff that you're gonna use. Get ready with these 4 little friends. Vaseline Pure Pavilion Jelly. Number 2 is Pond's BB Magic Powder. Number 3 is Beauty Blender. The last but not least, Wardah Exclusive Matte Lip Cream, shade number 11 and 12. Follow me along this video. Let's begin. Step is make sure you see the thing that you want to use. Yes, it is Vaseline to keep your lips moist, of course. Don't forget to wash your hands first and use one of your fingers to apply it. Use your mini mirror so you don't exceed the lip line when using it. That's how I did the step. Done. Next, BB powder to make your lips look pale. Put a little powder on your palm. Oh, don't too much. By using a beauty blender to your lips. Keep tapping your lips until it literally looks pale. Next, the lip matte. The lip matte that you use first is a pale lip matte, which one is Wardah number 11. Use your finger to smooth the lip matte that comes out of your lip lines, like that. Next, use the darker lip matte, which is Wardah number 12, on your inner lips. Yes, just put it among your fingers. Such a genius! Wow! Right. Put it in. And you just realized, right? The queen of makeup. You're gonna kill me. I'm sure. But I'm done. I'm finished it as well. Cheers. And it's done. Oh my god, look. I'm such the prettiest girl in this world. Wow.
Guys, that's how I apply this lipstick to make these ombre lips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!